washer. This washer is on the right. And it's making funky noises. And it's really loud. And I should be telling... It's making loud noises when it spins faster. Like this. And it had a noise where it goes. I'm just waiting. And I should be telling my mom. Mama, the washer's making loud noises. What? There's what? Pillows. There's only pillows in there. There's only pillows in there. Well, it's making shaky noises. It's making loud and shaky noises. It's making shaky noises. And it shakes. Like it shakes. Like it, I can do it faster. It's a little bit rough and bad. We're just waiting for it to end. It's making funky noises. Our Maytag Neptune washer and dryer. Washing machine. It sounds louder. It kind of... It's making louder noises. And when the washer spins, it kind of makes loud noises. And we're just waiting for the washer to end. Hold on, hold on. We're video recording the washer.
Okay.
I can do. Oh, it's just my sister telling me. It's making. Let me check what's inside. Hold on.
Inside.
We're just waiting. Almost done. There we go. Okay. Oh, there are red pillows.
Yeah, that's our old pillows. So we used to have a red couch. Remember?
Yeah, I know that, Clarice. It just had the red pillows that made really loud, funky noises. Okay, and that's it.